Have you ever dreamed of a bank that feels less, well, banky? You know, one that ditches the stuffy suits and long lines for a modern, tech-driven experience. This dream was actually a reality for a while, thanks to Fidor Bank. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, a burning question might be on your mind. Where in the world was Fidor Bank even based? For those unfamiliar, Fidor Bank was a pioneer in the world of fintech banking. Fintech, short for financial technology, basically means using technology to deliver financial services. Think online banking apps, mobile payments, and all that jazz. Fidor took that concept and ran with it, aiming to be the world's first fintech bank. Intrigued? Let's rewind a bit. Fidor's German roots. The story of Fidor Bank starts in 2009, with its launch in Munich, Germany. They weren't your average bank with towering buildings and marble floors. Fidor was all about the digital experience. No physical branches, just a sleek online platform designed for a tech-savvy generation. What made Fidor different? Here's what set Fidor apart. Community focus. Fidor wasn't just about transactions. They fostered a virtual community where customers could connect, share financial advice, and even participate in the bank's decision-making processes. Pretty cool, right? Openness to innovation. Fidor embraced technology with open arms. They offered an open API, which basically allowed other companies to build cool features and services on top of their platform. This opened doors for all sorts of creative financial solutions. Focus on personalization. Fidor wasn't a one-size-fits-all bank. They aimed to provide a personalized experience, tailoring services to each customer's needs. Spreading their wings. While Munich was their base, Fidor didn't limit themselves to Germany. In 2015, they took a leap and ventured into the UK market. This showed their ambition to become a global player in the fintech space. A change of course. Fidor's journey wasn't without its bumps. Despite its innovative approach, the bank faced challenges. In 2016, it was acquired by France's group BPCE. While Fidor continued to operate under its own brand for a while, things eventually took a turn. In July 2023, Fidor Bank ceased operations altogether. This marked the end of an era for a truly unique bank that dared to challenge the traditional financial landscape. The legacy of Fidor. Although Fidor Bank is no more, its legacy lives on. They showed the potential of what a tech-driven bank could be. Their focus on community, innovation, and personalization paved the way for other challenger banks to emerge and push the boundaries of what banking can be. So, where was Fidor Bank based? Fidor Bank's headquarters were in Munich, Germany, but their vision extended far beyond national borders. They aspired to be a global leader in fintech banking, leaving their mark on the world before the curtain closed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.